Welcome to day 5 of Simple and Stretchy, where we discover how simple good stretching can be, and we see for ourselves how good it feels to stretch a little bit every day. Today we're going to be stretching the back of our legs, also known as the hamstrings. We're going to take it nice and slow with a simple yet effective basic move. So to do this, we lie down on our back and we extend one leg up. From here, we lace our hands around the back of the leg and we gently pull it in. There is no need to be fancy. We simply need to pull the leg in. From here, we're going to gently push the leg back just a little bit against the hand. It'll give you a little bit more control, a little bit harder, but it gives you a lot more control, and it also gives this stretch a future, so we'll be able to go deeper in other classes and programs. Continue to pull the leg in. That was 30 seconds. Whoa, what a difference 30 seconds can make. Other side. So you extend the leg up, you lace the hands through. You gently pull the leg in. And then once you have the leg in, wherever it is, just a little bit, start to press it away from you. So you're pushing the back of the leg into the hands. And then nothing fancy. Let's simply stay with this stretch long enough for it to work. Take a deep breath, inhale, and exhale. So now we're going to take this up a notch. And to do that, we're going to straighten the legs. But if straightening the legs is way too much for you, you can keep the legs bent. And then once again, we're going to lace our hands through and grab our thigh. But now this time, we're going to flex and point the foot that's up, the aerial leg. Now, if you feel the back of your leg working, you're on the right track. But if it feels excruciating, is there a way you can dial it down? Remember that every stretch that we do, everything that we do in our programs, is adjustable and adaptable. And you want to feel like you're working, sure, that you're stretching, but you also need to feel safe and supported. Release that leg and notice, wow, the difference between the two sides. Let's take the other leg. So you extend it up, timer is on, you pull the leg in, and then you start to flex and point. Now, if this is way too much for you to do, you can bend the other leg. That helps a lot. That makes it a little bit easier in the back. And you can flex and point your foot less, because what the flexing does, it wakes up more parts of the back of the leg that maybe your body is not used to. Let's add something to that. Maybe your body isn't used to it yet. And we're here to get your body used to stretching a little bit each day, keeping it simple and stretchy. That was 30 seconds. Notice the back of the legs and how different they feel. Such good work. Notice how you feel. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you for our next practice.